evening. So now on our screen, on our live streaming, so these are our main players for Team Tabakan Cafe RX Sultan. We have Ador, Kalbe, Kudarangan, Team Simpan, had Jim Musa the third, Kapangpangan, Makapuri, Makaraw, Makangkong, and Mirato, Nacional, Palawan, Pangkoga, and Patawa, and Tata. So those are our players for Tabakan Cafe RX Sultan. So na-mention na po natin yung mga players natin for our team coaches. So for our Tibang MSOI Casaman, we have our players. We have Absin, Acacio, De La Vega, Grate, Lazaga, Limpag, Montecalvo, Bungko, Oden, Ordaniza, Paring, Polea, Radok, Ramil, and Samson. Pero ito yung challenge ng ating MSU IIT Cats, guys, kasi according to our team management, talagang meron din silang mga other leagues na talagang ginagawa sila salihan. So ngayon, to make sure that mix and balance yung game nilang gagawin tonight for the first game here in the GBL or Game Time Basketball League for the MSU IIT Cats, talagang kalahati yung mga members na maglalaro this evening. So, short-handed sila na mga players, but again, it doesn't matter how big the team or the physical aspect of the team, but nasa laro po yan. So, playing with the hearts, kayang-kayang manalo ng ating Team Cats. So, titignan natin ang lakas na bibigay sa first game ng ating Team Sultan. So, again, another most exciting game for these two games. So, now, watching our major sponsor, our drinking partner, our official drinking partner, our Team Avalanche. And together with the 4J Sports Active Sportswear.
Oh, lalo kayo? Kanina mo?
Check. Check. Alright, so thank you so much, Sir Mikoy, for lending me your microphone para klarong-klaro ang ating usaping pang-basketball ngayon for Team GBL First Season League for this tournament. So, tignan natin. I know each of this team really prepared for this tournament kasi hindi po basta-basta. Okay, so now, public service muna tayo. Paging the car owner of the Toyota Wigo with a plate number KBC 5175. Please proceed po sa parking space. Again, tinatawagan namin ang car owner and driver of the Toyota Wigo with a plate number KBC 5175. Please proceed sa parking space kasi may lalabas. Thank you. Thank you, Coach. So, eto na.
Mic testing. Oh, klaro, gapon. Nabali ito yung microphone, nabali.
Nabali rin eh.
Hello, nabali.
That's way. Okay. Same lang pala.
Uy, ang tagyero sa Wigo, dili kagawa si Kwan.
Check. Hey. Pero anyway, eto na. So, as we prepare for some technicalities, guys, so pa once ready na yung scoreboard natin, players get ready, coaches get ready. So mamaya sa ating mga live audience, be aware na may papalaro po tayo every halftime sa ating 4J Active Sportswear. And every quarter po yan, every time out, magpapalaro si Mikoy ng Bring Me Game. So please be ready mga ka-GBL live audience natin here at the gymnasium, the multipurpose gymnasium of Barangay Santiago. So for this game, home po tayo ha. Home court ngayon ng ating Cafe RX Sultan. And MSOIT Cats will be the visiting team natin. So maraming salamat to the maraming salamat to the local government unit of Barangay Tibanga at Barangay Santiago for allowing us for this wonderful venue para sa ating first season for the Game Time Basketball League Season 1. Alright, so players, get ready, coaches. So now, alam na natin, everybody's question, what time is it? It's game time!
Let's get it on! Let's tanaw na to og ila bang mapantayan ang energy sa first game. We are hoping for another explosive game. Same sa natabo gayon na. This is between MSU IIT Cats versus Sultan Cafe RX.
Ayun, so ito po yung mga ano natin, mga players, no? Na mga franchise players each team.
Si Calbe and
Yes.
Limpag.
Tingnan natin. So excited din ako kasi both intercollegiate teams ang maglalaro for the second game. Both first game nila ang nilalaro ngayon. Good luck po tayo, sirs, ha?
Okay, gutom.
Alright, so now guys, eto na. So we are now back to the ball game. So may mga adjustment po tayo sa sound system kasi talagang hindi kinaya yung energy ng mga bosses namin ni Mikoy ang mga sound system na ginagamit namin ngayon. So anyway, pasensya na po sa ating mga live audience kung medyo bungol-bungol na to speaker. But anyway, kaya pa rin natin ibagit lahat ng mga highlights for tonight's second game kasi intercollegiate yung maglalaro for the second game. Both MSU1, Sultan representing the Morawi main campus and Team Cats of MSU IIT naman ang lalabanan ko.
Yes.
So excited tayo ngayon.
Mga baguhan versus veterano. Tanawa ko niyo.
Okay. So let's find out.
Dinhin na ito makita, the size matter.
Size doesn't matter, huh? Okay, so now, let's get ready. Alright, so first quarter po tayo. Each quarter, may 10 minutes po
Kilalaatan
tayo.
nila yung isa't isa.
So ito yung mga team players natin. We have guard for Team Sultan. Ito na po. Team Cats, yung mga first five po natin. Let's start the ball game. Uy, nakuha ng tip-off ng Team Sultan. Another easy basket for
Nice,
Sultan.
easy
2 points. Now on scoreboard na ang Team Sultan. Ito na, humahabol ng puntos for the first basket ang Team MSU IIT Cats. Driving the basket number 38. Okay. Ito na, number 8. Uy, tumira ng 3. Off short pa tayo. Rebound ng Sultan. Uy, nakuha ng ating
Grabe ni Batao.
number 38. We have Ramil. Ramil, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. Grate, driving the basket. Number
Nice pass sa
55.
gitna.
Uy,
Big
sa
block by
it's a
Ador.
clean block. Sayang yun, but it's blocked by number 77. Ador. Clean block ni Ador. Number 45. Diba Simpan? Hanap si Mirato. Mirato for 3. No good. Okay.
Wow, what a nice steal by Limpag.
Limpag number 8, 30, Ramil for 2 points.
Ganda ng transition.
Alright, so
Mugani, mugani.
so scoreboard ang ating Team Cats 2-all. Ngayon naman, setting up Calve, number 11. Pass, uy!
Wow!
Asa!
Ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim.
2 points, Ador. Limpang driving the basket, easy layup, uy! Grabe na floater yun. 2 points.
May lagi.
Ganda na ginawa ni Limpag. Inatake yung basket. Anyway, tingnan natin makabawi ba ang Team Sultan. Calve, driving the basket. Oh, pasa sa number 2. Open naman. 2 points, no shoot. Number 77, rebound.
Andor
Uy,
sa ilalim.
Oh,
Muscling his way to the...
oh, it's a
Grabe.
3-second violation.
Na-travel ang yun. Pero dito nyo makikita guys. Grabe
Yeah.
ka kusgan yung bata.
Ang ganda ng defense na ginagawa ng Team Cats natin under the basket. So now, eto naman, Limpang setting up the game, attacking the basket, looking for an open man. Side corner for 3 points. Bang! Number 38, Ramil.
Hala, hala,
for
hala.
3
Uy.
points.
Hala, hala.
Uy, open na naman si Lalim. Balik kalabas. Side corner for 3. Uy, no good. Limpang, almost rebound.
Limpang with the rebound.
Securing the rebound, dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket.
Goal!
Uy, it's a nice pass. Uy, sayang. Blocking foul yun.
Kuya, huwag ka
Ganda
pasa.
sana ng pasa na ni Limpang. Parang ang laro.
This is what I came to see. GBL gitsa, GBL gitsa.
Brag, pilihon mas Steve Nash ang dulaa. Okay, let's go. Back to the ball game na tayo. Another three! Grabe! Limpang!
Mona, yun guys.
Limpang!
Mona yun guys na guys nga. Abi na kong dili player sa mong first meet sa media day.
Naman, Ador. Pasa ng mga number 11 na Calbe. Calbe, number 2. Pasa ka Maato. Okay, balik naman kay...
5 to shoot, shot clock.
Okay, okay, no good. Pass the rebound. Kinuha na ng Cats. Securing the... Okay, na-secure ng Cats. Limpang na naman. Looking for an open man. Pasa naman sa side corner. Attacking the basket. Okay, nagdadalawang isip. Grate. Side corner. Balik kay number 38. Attacking the basket. Speed move.
to
Wow!
shoot.
Side corner open. Grate. Grate. Almost a steal. Oh, attacking the basket. Side corner naman tayo. Number 38. Acasio attacking the basket. Side step. Oh! Galing. Sayang. Napalakas lang. Napalakas lang. Talaga ginawa Euro step. Ganun yun.
Ganda na para sa ilalim.
Wapo.
Sabi ng mga veterano, hoy,
2 points for Ador.
may asim din kami.
Ganda pa naman sana
Akala nyo kayo lang, ha?
ng Euro step. Pero ito, babawi ang Team Cats. Limpang na naman. Open for 3 points. Bang! Bang, bang, bang for Limpang!
Wow! I love this game,
points.
mga kaibigan.
13-6.
Napay!
Uy, open na naman. Nagpabiyaan. It's a foul. Napabayaan ang
Na-carried away
ilalim.
sila, guys. Na-carried away sila, guys.
Okay, napabayaan sa ilalim.
This kid,
Number 7 in the line.
MSU IIT Cats, telling the crowd that Iligan has a future in basketball.
Ganda talaga ng play na yon.
And dito natin yan ma-discover sa GBL, powered by SciTech
Yan.
Live Prod.
Okay, so pasok. Okay, 10-13 in favor ng ating young bloods of MSU IIT Cats.
Young
Limpang
blood
na naman,
versus
attacking
old
basket.
gods.
Open shot.
Uy, napalakad.
Block. It's a clean block yun. Talagang galing.
Calvin
Klabe.
ang mamadali sa gitna, pinasa kay Andor.
Okay, basket
The big
down.
man ng Sultans. Walang makakapigil sa akin, sabi ni Andor. Uy, lalala.
Akasyo na naman. Open
Hala
for
ka.
2 points. Short.
Pasa dia ito. Pasa.
Talagang kinagat yung depensa. But anyway, again.
Pero ang ganda ng depensa ni Calve, ha?
Ganda ng depensa.
Props to his defense.
11-13 in favor of team MSU IIT Cats. Lamang pa rin ng 2 puntos. Under 18. Remaining time for the first quarter. Side corner, number 7. Number 7,
to shoot, shot
Miraato. Miraato looking for an open man to Mira ng 3. Si Miraato. No good. Rebound ng Cats. Pasa naman. Tingnan natin, papasa ba? Hindi pinasa. Tagal ang pasa niyo na, pero sayang.
One
Pero tingnan
step
natin.
back.
Uy! Hulog ang tike. Ayan. Calbe attacking the basket for 2. Oh!
Calve nakakuha
May
ng
body
foul
contact.
and one.
Okay, may body contact nangyari. So again, don't pump it kasi for sure talagang foul yan. Reserve substitution, Multicalvo in.
Ala, eto na.
Paring out.
Pumasok na si Mr. Kapangpangon. The former Medical Rhinos All-Star. Mr. Kapangpangan.
Okay, Calbe in the line. Second throw, ready for rebound. Oy, tie game pa rin tayo. Rebound ng Team Cats. 4 minutes, 48 for the first quarter. Tie ball game 13. Limpang, humahanap ng kami. Bartel, matake. It's a block by Kapangpangan. Kapangpangan nakuha yung clean block at rebound. Securing number 7, Miraato. Attacking the basket. Uy! Oh, nice block and his defense. It's a steal for Team Cats. Ramil under the basket. Lumusot lang sa ilalim. Open man, balik kay Ramil. Ramil for side corner 3. Bang!
Parang
3
GSW itong
points.
MSU IIT Cats, mga
Number
kaibigan.
38, Ramil.
Small man lineup, pero delikado kayo sa tres.
Yes. Mga shooter to, guys. Mga anak ni Stephen Curry to.
Mga anak ni Stephen Curry ni sila. Mga
Ayan naman.
na-influensyahan
Maraato looking
Sa-
for... Uy!
Splash Brothers.
Foul. First personal foul of number 38. Ramil. First personal
Sultan
foul.
Cafe RXs now creating adjustments.
Substitution. Si Makapudi in. Miraato out. Okay, side
Shot clock,
corner po
reset
tayo.
14.
14 shot clock lang tayo. Okay. Kapangpangan looking for an open man. At the side
10
corner.
to shoot.
Double team. Calbe. Uy! It's a nice defense for Team Cats.
6 to
Hindi
shoot, shot
nakaporma ang
clock.
ating Team Sultan. Tignan natin makabawi ba sila for this 6 seconds na lang for this ball possession. Humahanap ng kakape. Okay.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot. Calbe. Uy, ang ganda ng passing.
ganda talaga.
Napakalaking-
Nasa-
Uy.
Grabe.
But it's a foul counted and one. Ganda ng pasa na yun, ha? Makapudi. Basket counted tayo for Makapudi. Okay, 13, number 13 in the line, ready for rebound. Basket counted yun, guys, ha? Okay, basket counted. Okay, eto na. 15-16, lamang pa rin ang Team Cats, the Young Ones. Okay, eto. Limpag umatake sa basket.
Substitution.
Substitution rep. Number 3, pasok. Haji Musa the third. Out Arabi. Eto na. Remaining time, 3 minutes 33 for the first quarter. Ang ganda ng pasa. Munti ka na oy, loose ball.
Ligyas.
It's a loose ball. Turnover yun by Acasio. 3 minutes 28 for the first quarter. 16 ball game time pa tayo for the first quarter, guys, ha? Team Cats versus Team Sultan. It's almost a steal. Ganda ng depensa na ginagawa ng Team Cats. Tingnan natin, kaya
12 to shoot.
ng opensa.
10
Sultan,
to shoot, Jetlag.
ang ganda ng depensa. Sabi ko
Nakuha.
nga ba? Oh, eto na. Team Cats umatake. Limpang. Uy, under the table, under the basket. Almost a steal. Okay, Haji Musa the third. Attacking the basket. Easy layup for 2 points. Haji Musa the third.
By
for 2
Mr.
points.
Haji Bosa.
And ito naman, lamang na 18 na 16. Lamang na ng 2 points ang ating Team Sultan. Tingnan natin kung anong adjustment gagawin ng ating Team Cats. Okay, posting up, Garte. Ramil, humahanap ng open man. Commanding the game.
10
Big
to
basket. Oy, it's a steal. Okay, there you go. Ang ganda depensa, 3-1.
3 versus 1 sa
Oy.
ilalim.
Oh,
good.
ganda na depensa. Sayang blow up.
Sayang yun.
Opens yun. Limpang na naman. Ang ganda na pasa sa ilalim. Open 3. Number, okay na, oh, good.
Grabe court vision ni si Limpag, ah.
Parang ang may side mirror, nakikita lahat ng mga team players natin, kasamahan. Okay. Calve, pass to 13. Oh, it's a steal. Uy! Easy 2 points.
2 points ng malaking mama.
Alright, congratulations po. Okay, we have lamang na 2016. Lamang na ang Team Sultan sa atin, guys. Kapangpangan, last shoot kanina. Time out! Tumawag na time out ang ating team, MSU IIT Cats, for adjustment na naman yan. Okay, 20. Score 20-16. Lamang ang ating Team Sultan.
Senior citizen versus mga anak. Unang ngayon kayo na nga. Veterans versus rising stars.
Alright, so once again, this game is brought to you by our Season 1 League Bearer, Honorable Mayor Frederick Xiao. Time out call ng Team Sultan natin, so that's why, ganoon, tingnan natin anong adjustment gagawin ng ating Team Sultan, ating Team Cats. Kabalong ako'y, mga first quarter talagang anak yung dula ba, no? Tigi, good ba eh? Tigi, good naman.
Tigi,
Pakiramdaman muna.
Yes.
Pakiramdaman. Pero going na po tayo for last 2 minutes for the first quarter. Tingnan natin who will take the lead for the first quarter. Back to the ball game po tayo. Okay, now, eto na.
And now we have Limpag.
Imbag. Attacking the basket. Uy, dalawang isip.
Nakita si number 2.
Acasio. Acasio, naghahanap ng open man. Dribbling the ball. Pasa naman balik ka ating point guard. Limpag forcing the 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Under the basket. Nahihirapan for depensa. Side corner number 1. Pasa ka Limpag. Limpag setting up the game. Posting up people. Okay, commanding the game. Setting up. Uy, pick and roll. Uy, hindi naman. Naghahanap ng open man. Naghihirapan.
10 to shoot.
Uy, 10 to shoot. Acasio picking the basket. Pass open man sa gilid. Open man, easy basket. Bang! 2 points for Monte Calvo. 20-18 na po yung score. So let's find out. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Uy, kapangpangan. Inatake yung basket. Ang lakas talaga. Di kapangpangan. Di kaya ang lakas. So it's a 9-1. Pasok yung basket. Ready for rebound. Kapangpangan in the line number 19. 18-22.
Okay.
19-22.
MSU 80, team penalty.
Okay, pasok. 21 at 23. Monte Calvo, double team. Oh, it's a turnover. Sayang na pasa yun.
Sa referee man siguro na.
Alright, last! Ayan, ito. Seconds to play. Alright, rebound ng Cats. Aggressive talaga yung ating MSUIT Cats, guys. Naghahanap ng open man. Okay, picking a basket. Limpang, open. Uy, ang ganda ng fake. Ang ganda ng pasa. Sa corner. Oh, sarap! Tignan
Wow,
ng layup na
grabe.
yun. Ang ganda ng passing. Last
Money
35
moves.
seconds. 34. 20-23. Lamang pa rin ang team Cats natin, guys. Ay, Team Sultan. Ayun, fake. Birds. Tumira ng tres. No good air ball. Kuha ng Team Cats. Oh. Last 19 minutes. 19 seconds, sorry, minutes ulit. 19 seconds. Okay, inbound. Hanap ng, uy, nice defense. 18 seconds remaining time. Uy, ganda ng depensa. Ganda talaga ng depensa ni Monte Calvo. Hadjamusa for 3, no good. Rebound ng ating point guard. Uy, lakas. Uy. 8, 7,
Wow!
uy, landa. 5,
Easy
4,
dudes.
3, 2, 1, and... Ganda pa naman. Kaya pa yan.
Ganda ng laban pa rin.
End of the regulation!
Oh, gwapo, gwapo.
Grabe. 1 point lang lamang.
1 point lang.
Kanimoy dula. Ano? Okay, first end of the first. Tuplo ka balik.
Larga ng barko, guys.
Alright, okay, so first end of first regulation po tayo for the first quarter for Team Sultan versus MSUIT Cats. So now, once again, thank you so much ating official rehydration partner, Albalan Purified Drinking Water.
Go number 3, Sultan Cafe RX by J.An. Sub daw si NZ Zombrano Aba from Mr. NJ Orig. Go Radok number 1, Ira Di Alas. Big shout out to our 597 viewers sa atong live via Mayor Frederick Shaw Facebook page.
Alright, so nga ko lamang lang ng Sultan ng 1 point. Pero again, maaga pa. We have still second quarter at third fourth. So ngayon, let's find out anong gagawin ng ating team MSUIT Cats to take the lead para makalawang pa. So tignan natin anong play ang gagawin nila.
Daghan pag mga familiar
Okay,
faces.
let's go. And back to the ball game.
Daghan
Okay.
pag mga familiar faces nga wala ipasulod sa Sultans nga ako naibalaan ba.
Oo, di ba?
Silang Mr. Palawan o kanin isulod na. Si number 12. Si Pangkoga.
Alright, back to the ball game. Bola ng Cats. Limpang na naman. Open three. Okay, lakas lang ng konti. Another offensive rebound. Atake sa basket. Oh, there's the foul. Foul number 31. 22 in favor of Team Sultan. Uy, nakuha ng Sultan. Cutting the defense. Easy
Napakabilis.
layup. Uy, short lang ng konti.
Put back, no good.
Very good. Ganda ng dribbling. Uy, ganda ng passing. Open three. Bang! Monte Calvo for 3 points. Ganda ng back pass. Tirang tres. Tingnan natin makabawi ba ang ating team Sultan. Lumamang na ng team Cats. Ng 2 points, bumawi si Haji Musa. No good. Rebound ng team Cats. Let's find umatake. Oh, hold. Oh, ito commanding the game. Limpag. Uy, nagdadalawang isip. Uy, open man! Wow! Right there!
Bam! Muscling his way to the middle, number 11. Mr. Grate.
Grate pala, guys. Ituloy.
For 2 points.
2 points. 23-27. Baliktad na.
Labaw
Lamang na
ng
ang team
4 points.
Young Ones natin, ang Team Cats. Ito. Another posting game for Team Sultan. Open man, binayaan sa tres. Pero no good. Uy,
Uy!
May
May
whistle.
nakitang foul yung referee.
sayang yung tingin na first. But anyway, there's a whistle.
Big shoutout sa ating game analyst, statistics,
Attack
game
Resort
time, as they monitor our statistics.
5-second violation.
5-second violation committed by number 17.
Talagang ganda. Magandang yung defense ang ginagawa ko ng ating team MSYT. Kasi talagang mga young ones. Uy
Tama.
kahago, uy kakapoy. O ano naman, Monte Calvo naman. Uy, almost a steal! Uy, naka-recover, hindi naman. Nakuha ni Palawan. Okay.
To number 3 with an easy
Easy
deuce
layup for
by
number
Mr.
3.
Hajimosa.
25-27. MSYT Cats pa rin yung lamang ng 2 points. Pump fake. Forcing the 2. No good. Rebound pa Team Sultan. Number 4 driving the ball. Pasa naman kay number 17. Okay, Ferds. Pasa kay number 14. Open sa gilid. Uy! Ako na lang. No good. Ang lakas. Number 13 rebound. Okay, ito. Number 1. Grate, umatake ng basket. Uy, pasa sa
Ganda
gilid.
na pasa sa gilid.
Ah!
3 points.
Wow, wow, wow. 2 points for number 1. Radok. Ayan,
Mr. Absin.
Haji Musa naman, posting up, looking for a pass. Spin move, almost a steal, umatake sa basket. It's a floater. And a basket, 1 count. Ayan. Ito na naman, basket count tayo. Umahabol ng score, 27-29. So, in the line. Okay, substitution. A timeout. Timeout is brought to you by Amlan Purified Drinking Water. Okay, timeout tayo. Tumawag ng timeout ang team Sultan. Adjustments na naman sila kasi nahihirapan sila ko'y galisod sila ko'y. Kita mag-yun na ito, no? Buwa naglamang ganina, lamang sila, pero nahabol sila sa Team Cats. But let's find out kung kakayanin. So thank you so much once again, 4J Active Sportswear and our Season 1 League Bearer, Mayor Frederick Xiao. Thank you so much, Mayor.
Kana sa ripinigin na ng microphone ba? Okay, gatubang sa speaker ilang kwan, microphone.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Let's go back to the ball game. So 27-29 lamang ang TMMUI IT Cats. Ngayon, under 7 minutes and 26 seconds in the line. We have Haji Musa, the third. Shooting a free throw kasi N1 yun. Ready for rebound. Ready for rebound. Basket counted. Ito na. Okay. Higpit na ng mga depensa ng ating Team Sultan. O talagang ina-atake yung depensa. Uy, almost a steal. Radok. Radok. Naghahanap ng open man.
Time to shoot.
Paring to. Limpag. Almost a three, but no good. Number 4. Haji Musa faking the 3. Attacking the basket. Turn move. Uy, unti kang naman turnover. Buti naka-recover. No good for number 17. Another attacking basket for number 2. Oh,
Yoy,
no good.
napalakan.
Sayang na Euro step yun. Impag, paso, paring. Nagdadalawang isip. Number 1, Radok. Radok lumabas. Uy! 3 seconds violation. Traveling without passport na naman ginawa ng ating Team Cats. Si Paring, traveling, turnover for Team LHYT Cats. Okay now, eto. Under 6 minutes and 33 seconds. 28-29, lamang ng 1 puntos ang ating second quarter.
Wow, what a
Okay,
nice
there you go.
reverse.
Balik sa lamang
By Mr.
sa Team Sultan.
Nacional.
Uy, Pradok, uy,
Dah.
ganda, uy, sa step.
Uy.
Double team na.
Double team.
Ayun.
Nakawala.
Paring to
Rate.
Rate, attack the basket.
Ay,
Oh,
in and
good.
out.
Almost a rebound. But
Open
eto na,
man na naman,
2-1.
number
Pass by
4.
Birds, layup.
Nacional for
Pasok.
2 points.
2 points.
Okay. Substitution ref.
Ramil naman, Acasio, Paring Limpag, and Monticalvo for Team Cats. 14 shot clock. Limpag, Pass to Monticalvo for 3. No good.
No good.
Okay, top rebound for Team Sultan. Perds, dribbling the ball, naghahanap ng kasamahan. Haji Musa for 3. Bang!
Bang!
3
Bang!
points! Haji Musa!
Sabi ng Janzi Musa. Bang, bang. Uy.
Okay, 35-29, lamang na ang Team Sultan. Uy, munti ka na. Acasio for 3, no good. Acasio, 2 and 1.
Haji Musa na naman!
Alright.
Grabe! Kitang-kita niya daw.
5 minutes remaining time. Second quarter. 15, 14 seconds. Shot clock. 10 shot clock. 8. 5
Five to
seconds. Acasio. Short. Uy!
Lumaylay ata.
Gati ka na. 37-29 in favor pa rin ng Team Sultan. Nahabol na ng Team Sultan.
Muna ni sunod na si Mr. Palawan. The muscle man of Sultan. Cafe RX.
Haji Musa na naman.
Haji
2
Musa na naman.
points. Ganda
Doing
naman
it all.
fast break ginagagawa.
Humingi ng substitution si Haji Musa. Gikapoy na. He's been giving great contribution to his team.
Oh, lumabas, sayang. 10 points lang lamang ng Team Sultan. The biggest lead for tonight. Palawan.
Mr. Palawan, napakalaking muscles. Stakbo lang ng dipinsa. Grabe ka, Kuskan. Actually, nakatilaw ko siyang lupus ba? Naisbog ko anak niya. Kuskan ka na siya nga tao. Mr. Palawan number 6. Oh.
Uy,
Wow!
pump-fake. Oh, short lang. Kuha ng Team Cat yung rebound. Ramil, side corner, recovery. Shoot
Pumira na
na
tres.
side corner, bang!
Bang!
3 points, Ramil! Ayun, 32-39. Calve, Birds to okay, Mongko, very good. 2 points, finally for number 17, Maongko. 41-32 in favor of Team Sultan. Under 3 minutes and 80 seconds. Pasa na naman sa corner natin. Okay, Limpang.
10 to shoot.
55, okay, there you go. Maangko, uy, forcing the basket. Buti na lang napasa, Calve, 2 points.
Calve.
2 minutes, 58 seconds for the second quarter. 43-32, lamang ang Team Sultan.
8 to shoot, Jetlock. 5 to shoot.
Bang, 2 points.
Counted.
2 minutes, 36 seconds.
Wow!
Oh, sayang, malakas lang. Offensive rebound, no good. Kuha na Team Cats. Team Cats, matake sa basket. Acasio naman, faking, grabbing the ball. Attacking the basket, double team. Nakuha, it's a steal. Palawan na naman, 2 points.
Makes it this time for Mr. Palawan.
Uy, side step, galing.
Wow, what a nice
Short
lefty.
lang, sayang.
No good.
45-34, under 1 minute and 52. Maongko, pasa kami Calve. Driving the basket, pass back kami Maongko. 2 points! Maongko. Timeout!
MSU IIT Cats
This timeout
has
is brought to you
forced
by
a
Mayor Frederick
timeout
Xiao.
after that rally. Nabigyan kasi ng ano eh. Yung first game kanina eh. Murag natasan ang standard dito sa mga people.
But anyway, grabe. Ganda pa rin ang pilalaro ng ating Team Cats
Yes.
at Team Sultan. But ngayon, hindi pa man end, pero second quarter pa rin
Correct,
tayo
correct,
under a
correct.
minute and 38. So magaling ang ginawa ng ating Team Sultan. Talaga nakarecover sila Koy sa kanilang ginawa. So now, they are leading the 47-34. So that's a good points for Team Sultan. Okay, oy.
Ang nakayong ano guys, bisan pag muli ng mga tao guys, naman tayo grabe ka high quality na live stream from SideTech Live Prod. Pwede ka po sila makita sa itong live, pinaagi sa Facebook Live.
All right, so please like our Facebook page of our Game Time Basketball League Season 1. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Bola ng Team Cats.
But it's SideTech Live Prod.
Eto na. Number 1. Bang!
Bang!
3 points! Arado! Ayun, ito na, bumabawi ng ating Team Cats natin guys. 10 points, babas na 10 points. Tingnan natin, makabawi ba ang ating Team Sultan? Okay, there's a steal. Team Cats. Adok. Uy, ang ganda.
Wow!
2
Oh,
points.
SUIT Cats
For Ramil.
showing redemption. Palawan na naman.
Attacking the basket.
Palawan na naman.
Bodying the body. Sa depensa, open number 7. Attacking the basket, open shot.
Bang!
Basket, 2 points for number 7, Ramira Ato. Up.
Hello. Oh,
Warning for
jersey
technical.
number 1, Cats. Warning. Takin.
All right, so back to the game.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Under 43 seconds. Open na yung basket sa gilid. Okay. Calve attacking the basket for layup. Uy, sa clean block. Ang gandang depensa ginawa ng Team Cats. Acasio, 2-4. Dalawa kontra sa 4. Pero, Arok. Okay, basket counter naman. Bang, bang. Radok. Dennis for 3 points. 15 seconds remaining time. 49-42. Okay. Last ball possession for Team Sultan. Attacking basket, Calve. Okay, AC2 for Calve. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Ating halftime break. Lamang 51-42. Lamang ang Team Sultan Cafe RX.
Larga ng barko guys. Oh, bring me. Sige, awi.
All
Okay.
right, so now let's move on to our halftime break.
Halftime
And mamimigay na naman tayo ng giveaways ng mga merch from 4J Active Sportswear. Eto kay, so Kuy, take the lead.
Okay. Bring me guys. Bring me. Midjas nga black. Kinsa na midjas nga black na kasi nilas ko sa tran.
All right, so bring me there,
Oh.
bring me. Okay.
Sayata ko. Kalo. Kinsay na midjas nga naluya naman yung mga tao. Oy. Wa naman siguro sa
Isa lang ka speaker katingo mo gun. Anyway, sige,
Oh.
bring me. Okay, bring me there.
para sa
Bring
kalo
me.
gikan sa 4G Sports Activewear.
Bring me there.
Midjas nga black.
Bring me.
Wala. Oh, sige. Usab.
Okay, bring me
Wala.
tayo. Next item.
Oh, next game. Tagay ko jersey nga blue. Oh, sige, jersey nga blue.
Jersey
Kinsa
na
naka-jersey nga blue?
Sino may jersey na blue?
Kinsa naka-jersey nga blue? Dara! Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Pangalan sa pangalan mo? Dagan salamat yung pangalan.
Koy.
Nice to meet you. Dagan salamat.
Koy, eto naman, yung gagawin natin, we will be calling out, sino dito ang shooter? Kisay shooter.
Shooter.
Isa ka shooter. Kisay shooter. Lele.
Let's go. Shooter.
Lay for t-shirt. Okay, lele. Okay.
Give it up.
Okay, sir. Okay. Ang challenge mo, sir. Kapalo mag-ground robin. Pangalan? Brian, taga saan si Brian? Marami, Brian. Assalamualaikum. Thank you so much for coming here, ha? So, kayon, ikaw shooter ka, mahilig ka mo sa basketball. Anong position mo sa basketball? Shooting guard, oh. Ito. Here the thing, alam mo yung round robin, right? Corner, second and mid, centro, mid, 5 yan. Okay? So, dapat makatatlo ka na shoot para makuha mo yung major prize natin sa 4J. Okay? So, walang time limit yan, ha? So, first throw tayo doon. Okay, let's go for Brian, guys. Palakpakan natin. All the way from Brian. Okay, first throw tayo. Side corner for 3 points. Dapat makatatlo ka. Out of 5, dapat tatlo, ha? Dapat tatlo. First throw. Tingnan natin, kakaya na yun ba? Okay, Brian, tingnan natin na pang-shooting guard mo. First throw. Oy, wala. Miss. Mintis. Side corner naman tayo. Okay. Mid. Okay, there you go. Okay, apat na lang, ha? Apat na lang. Uy! Pasok! Yun! One! Isa na!
One
Okay,
out of
center 3 tayo, Brian. Dalawa na lang. You will take home our major prize for our 4th day Aki Sportswear. Eto, Brian. Dalawa na lang, ha? Oh! Okay! Alright, eto na.
Two out of three.
Isa na lang, Brian. Tingnan natin. You have 2 shots remaining sa 5. So, Brian, let's go. Tingnan natin. Isa na lang. Tingnan natin kung kakaunted ba, ha? Uy! Miss! Oh, isa na lang. You have a last shot tayo, Brian. Take time tayo. Walang time limit to. So, Brian, you miss it. Consolation. Pag mapasok yan, major prize tayo. Brian, let's go. 3 points, side corner. Last shot. Let's go. Sayang. But don't worry, Brian. May dalawa kang puntos. Makakauwi ka ng ating prize para from 4th day na maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Brian, okay. Mamaya na naman. Mamaya. Okay, mamaya. Brian, thank you so much. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. That will be our halftime break. Maraming salamat, Koy. Let's go. Okay, players, get ready for our second half. Alright, so now back to the ball game po tayo for our third half. So thank you so much, Koy. Si McCoy ay aalis na po because again, duty calls. Koy, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. So guys, please like the Facebook page of Page si McCoy, our core anchor and the ambassador for the game of Game Time Basketball League Season 1. So siya po yatong game ambassador. So now, back to the ball game po tayo. Puntusan 51-42 in favor of Team Sultan. Under 10 minutes naman tayo. Start our third quarter. Uy, ang gandang defense na ginawa ng ating Team Cats. Change court na po tayo, guys, ha? Okay, so Calbe looking for an open man. Calbe dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner, a 3. Oh, no good. It's a rebound. Offensive rebound, number 77. Speed move, pasok ang basket for Team Sultan. Okay, there you go. 53-42, lamang ng 11 points. Now, Radok dribbling the ball, posting up. Uy, kinuha yung screen.
And to shoot.
Set to shoot. Ardok naman balik yung bola. Mahanap ng open man. Number 38. Uy, ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Shot clock violation. Players, paminaw lang yung players sa kay hinay atong speaker, kay nasunog ang isa. So please be mindful pag yung referee tends to shoot, 5 to shoot. Dan po yung mga natin announcement for the time. Okay, so now, balik po tayo. Let's go, Team Sultan. Alright, so Calvin naman posting up a game. Looking for an open man. Ina-atake yung basket, speed move. Tumira ng dos, hindi pwedeng pumasok. Pero anyway, agay Calvin naman. Uy, sa block, but it's a foul yun. May kasamang foul. So, Calvi in the line, under 8:50. Remaining time for third quarter. 53-42 lamang pa rin ang ating 11 points, ang ating Team Sultan. In the line, Calvi, first throw. Sabi pa dito, I know you can do it, Radok. Uy, may mga number 1 fan dito sa MSUIT Cats. Okay, eto naman. Go, Sultan Cafe RX, sabi ni GN. Okay, sa third rebound, counted pa rin. So there we go. Cats, number 1, Radok. Getting the screen, attacking the basket. Uy, aggressive sana, pero it's a block. Ganda defense na ginagawa ng Team Sultan.
11 to shoot.
Go, White Ranger, Sultan Cafe RX. Dito rin. Radok, for 2. Pasok ang puntos para kay Radok. Ito, 54-42. Uy!
miscommunication. Sayang na pass break yon. It's a turnover for Sultan. Ramil looking for an open man. Uy, ginagat yung screen. Inatake ng basket. Double keep. Ay, ang ganda sana ng cut. Pero nakuha ng Team Sultan. Pass break. Number 77, easy, no good. Easy set na sana yun. Okay, let's go. Ramil attacking the basket. Aggressive. Humahanap ng open man. Balik kay Ramil. Uy, pinasar ang ilalim. Di kinaya. Oh, the cut is a miss. It's a turnover. And atake ng Team Sultan ang basket. Calbe. Ayan. 2 points for Calbe. 56-44. Lumalamang na ang Team Sultan. Dapat may gawin ang ating team IIT Cats. Agdok na naman. Ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. It's a block. Dalawang dumidepesa. Ramil for 2 points. Lumabas. No good. Rabi. Number 2 to the ball. Pass to Adima, number 45. Open for 3 points corner. No good. Rebound for Team Cats. Ramil looking for an open man. Radok number 1. Attacking the basket naman. Lumahanap ng open man. Ako na lang. Tatlong yung bumabantay. Open. Yung 3 points. No good. Offensive rebound. Diretso na. Uy! Tatlo sa block. Ganda ng block na yun. Ganda depensa, nahihirapan na Team Cats. Akasa na naman, pumimira ng dress. Pumukol, no good. Rebound for Team Sultan. Calbe. Dribbling the ball. Making a play. Number 7. Posting up. Tignan natin. Number 45. Uy, ang ganda ng pasa. Di masuan. Number 77. Counted 2 points. Ganda ng passing na ginagawa ng Team Sultan. Lamang na 58-44 in favor of Team Sultan. Under 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Ardok na naman dumadala ng bola. Nahihirapan sa ipit ng depensa ni Calve. Let's go. Team Cats, timira na 3 naman. Ramil, good. Rebound for Team Sultan. Napapagod na ang Team Cats. Pero ang Sultan umaatake pa rin. Lakas ng opensa ng Team Sultan. Timeout! Team Cats. Now, scoring 58-44. 16 na pala. 44 under 5 minutes and 51. So that time outbreak is brought to you by Season 1 League bearer, Mayor Frederick Xiao. Ang ganda nilalaro ng ating Team Sultan. Tingnan natin kung makapag-adjust pa ang ating team MSY IT Cats. Alam natin na short-handed sila ng mga players ngayon. But the heart and the desire and the talent are there. So tignan natin at kayang habulin. Talagang lumalamang na ng malaki na puntos ang ating team Sultan 61 over 44. 5 minutes 51. Remaining time for the third quarter. Back to the ball game po tayo for the third quarter, guys. Okay, eto na. May adjustment tayo. So, bola ng ating team MSYD Cats. Alright, back to the ball game. Impact commanding the play. Screen by Grate, tumira ng 3. Go good, malakas na, wala na sa pulso. Uy, ayun, naiwan sa kabilang court. Basket counted, Arabe. Nawawala na sa focus sa depensa, but anyway, composure andun pa rin. Tignan natin kung makabawi dito ang Team Cats. Okay, Kabe, ayan, there you go. Ang ganda ng cut na yun. It's blocked by Sultan. Sultan umatake sa basket. Spin move. Miraato. Pass number 77. Calve. Miraato ulit. Pass. Uy! Sa steal. Ang ganda ng steal na yun. Monte Calvo. Turamil. Attacking the basket. Uy! May foul. Alright, so foul is number 2. Blocking foul. So score 63-44 under 5 minutes for the third quarter. In the line, making his free throw, first throw for Ramil. No good. Ready for rebound. Second shot. Tingnan natin if mapasok pa, makonvert pa natin to. Ready for rebound. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 77. Calve, dribbling the ball. Kinawin sa kabila. Arabi naman for number 7. At the corner, Miraato posting up. Looking for an open man. Side corner po tayo.
And to shoot.
Natanging yung basket. Ang ganda ng top board na yon. Another score for Sultan. Grate posting up. Looking for an open man. In-attacking yung basket. Forcing the defense of the Team Sultan. Nahihirapan ang ating Team Cats. Looking for an open man.
5 to
Miraato.
shoot.
4 to shoot. Oy, there's a foul. Kita naman na tapik ng kamay. Number 45. Timeout, Team Sultan. Score 65-44, under 40 minutes and 16 seconds. So that is timeout is brought to you by Mayor Frederick Xiao and together with our Vice Mayor Wek Uy. So anyway, maraming salamat sa manonood sa ating live streaming. Ayun, Ira de las Alas, grabe ka na Ayor. Shout out! I know you can do it, Radok, number 1, MSUIT Cats. Dami talaga. From Ira de las Alas, we have also Gian, Go Sultan, Haji Musa, the 3rd. RR Ryan Kazaps, Kuyao Omikada. Go Sultan. Payasim Marandakan. Okay, ito na. Back to the ball game po tayo. First throw, no good. Ready for rebound. In the line, Acacio. Second throw, cast it counted by Acacio. Alright, so now commanding Haji Musa the 3rd. Pasa sa corner naman. Birds, muntikan na ilugan. Right corner. Bang! 3 points for number 13, Makapudi. Acacio naman, dribbling the ball, forcing the defense. Talagang nakuha yung pesa, naka-recover, muntikan na. Attacking the basket, pinilit. May foul. Foul number 12. First throw, basket counted. Shout out sa ating mga live viewers natin dyan, 436,000 viewers for the game Game 10 Basketball League. Okay, no good. Rebound na. Shout out Aripudin Abdul Latif from Mamuti Abdullah sa Udin. Alright, ganda ng pasa. Ferds, open the basket, attacking the basket. Pasa kay Kapagpangan. Offensive rebound. Bounce it back. Ang lakas. Nasobrahan sa lakas. Rebound by Team Cats. Acacio, dribbling the ball. Basa naman kay number 8. Uy, lakas ng board na yun. Sayang, di na-convert yung offense ng ating Team Cats. Haji Musa naman attacking the basket. Pass to Kapampangan. Uy, almost a steal. It's a steal for Team Cats. Okay, open man. Oh, it's a block. Nakuha yung block na yun. But naka-recover. Ang ganda na pass to Ramil. Easy 2 points for Ramil. Uy, nakuha. Turnover, miscommunication na gawin na nangyari for Sultan. Another 3 points, pero hindi. Pinasok, mid-range, no good. Okay, 3 points for Limpang. Bang! 3 points, Limpang! Okay, na 51-68. Under 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. 14 seconds shot clock remaining. Shoot time, ayan, shot clock. Kapampangan, posting up. Mahanap ng open man. Walang open man. Ayan, 10 to shoot. Number 4 for 3-point corner. No good. Kapampangan, tapped it. Nakuha ng offensive rebound ng Team Sultan. Kapampangan ulit. Balik Kapampangan. Taking the pass. Speed move. 2 points. Kapampangan. Talagang ginawa ng speed move na yun. Ramil to Acacio. Posting up. Looking for an open man. No good. Malakas lang. Rebound by Team Sultan. Uy, almost a steal. Pero nakuha ni Makapuni. Makapuni, 2 points. 70-51 in favor pa rin of our Team Sultan. Remaining time, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Ramil, humahabol ang 3. No good. Mintis. Okay, Makapuni the third. So we have Haji Musa the third. Commanding the game, looking for an open man. Dribbling the ball. Pasa kay Kapampangan. Kapampangan in the middle. Okay, it's a steal, pero naka-recover. Pero it's a loose ball. And that will be a turnover for Team Sultan. Shoutout sa ating mga viewers natin dyan. 470 viewers. Shoutout out sa inyo lahat dyan. Please like the Facebook page of our Game Time Basketball League Season 1. And maraming salamat sa mga nag-stay sa ating mga live viewers here ating venue. Okay, ito na. Ramil na naman. Monticalvo, pass to Ramil. No good. Limpag pala yung kanina, sorry. Uy, it's almost a steal by Limpag. 36 seconds remaining time. Double dribble. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, Acasio, uy. Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Acasio. 2 points, wala pa rin. Uy, there's a foul, number 8. 13 pala. 18 seconds remaining time. Lamang pa rin, 72-51 ang Team Sultan. Lamang. Fake ni Haji Musa. Easy scoop for Haji Musa in the third. Limpag. Ramil for 3. No, lakas lang. And then of the regulation for the third quarter. Score 74-51 in favor for Team Sultan. That time is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy. Right, shout out. Maraming salamat to our Herbal City Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy. And that is, again, lamang for the Team Sultan for the third quarter. Okay, get ready for the last fourth quarter po tayo, guys, ha? Mahaba yung oras, but again, konti lang din yan naman, 20 points plus sa mga lamang. So, kaya pa yung habulin. Basta may saktong plano na gameplay ang gagawin ng ating Team Cats para malamangan or mahabol ang score ng ating Team Sultan. Alright, shout out also sa ating mga Team CRRMO, our response unit. Uy, tumira ng 3. Malakas lang si Ardok. Ardok pala, sorry. Haji Musa na naman! Floater 2! Scooping layup for Haji Musa the third. Radok, pasa na naman kay Limpang. Okay, ito. Okay, basket counted for number 13, Monticalvo. Haji Musa. Pass to number 31. Oh, wow! Pinalakan ng ring. Sayang yun. Ganda pa naman ang play na yun. Okay, that's defense by our Team Sultan. Fast break, Haji Musa naman. Tingnan natin kung ano gagawin. Oy! Ang ganda ng Euro step. But open 3. Ganda ng mga passing. Open 3. No good air ball. Radok. Open 3. Oy! Sayang minti. Lumalakas po yung ulan natin sa venue, guys. Pero again, ang ganda pa rin ng play na ginagawa ng ating Team Sultan to sustain the lead. Pero tingnan natin kung kaya makahabol ng Team Cats. No good. Deep talaga sineswerte yung Team Cats natin ngayon. Okay, Haji Musa picking the basket for 3. Paasa naman sa lalim. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ang lakas lang. Naka-recover. No good. Kuha ng Team Sultan. Team Cats. Ardok. Uy, almost a steal by Radok. Double team. Haji Musa steal. Layup. Bang! 2 points by the board. Maraming kaganapan na ginagawa si Haji Musa talaga ngayon. Talagang
Lamang na lamang, 78-53 ang Team Sultan under 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Uy, open, no good pa rin. Talagang titira si Swerte ang ating team. Cats, Maongko. Pass naman for number 13. Talaga na pumapasok ang ating mga puntos sa ating Team Sultan. Limpang. Pass number 2, side step, under corner. Wala pa rin. Talagang minamalas ang ating Team Cats.
talagang minamalas ang ating Team Cats ngayon. Haji Musa posting up. Looking for a basket. Pasa na naman sa red corner. Number 30, Mangko. Pass to Haji Musa na naman. Uy! Nahulog ang butike. But anyway, let's go. Team Cats 2-1. Monticalvo, a block. Okay, 5 foul yun. So, Monticalvo shooting in the line for free throw. Dalawang free throw yun for Monticalvo. Under 7 minutes for the last quarter for this regulation. Basket counted. First throw, good. Ready for rebound. Alright, converting yung dalawa. Score under 6 minutes and 58, 55-88. 25 yung lamang ng ating Team Sultan. Tignan natin kung kaya pa mababain ng puntos. Pero ang dami ng mga open. Uy, sayang. Miscommunication. Limpang atake in the back. Looking for the open man. Okay, pasa kay Radok. Radok, number 1, 2 points for Radok. 57-80. Under 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Palawan, pasa na naman kay number... uy, ganda ng mga passing Nagdadalawang isip. Taga mahigpit yung under
5 to
defense
shoot.
ng Sultan. 5 shoot. Side corner for Sultan. No good. Foul number 6. Sila ka foul to? Team foul? Sila team foul yan. No good pa rin. No good. Plus offensive rebound. Limpang inatras. Inatake yung basket. At dalawang isip. Side step. Traveling violation. 2 team foul for Team Sultan. Under 5:48 remaining time for the last quarter for the second game. 80-57, lamang pa rin, lamang na lamang ang ating Team Sultan. Uy, fake, Haji Musa na naman, naghahanap ng open man. Posting up, commanding the game.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot. Traveling violation. Turnover for Sultan. Oh, it's a steal by our player of the game siguro yan Nice pass, but it's a block.
But there's a foul. Talagang all over si Haji Musa, guys, from offense to defense. Timeout! MSU IIT Cats. 57-80, labang ang Team Sultan. This timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wek Uy. And also to our Season 1 League Bearer, maraming salamat to Mayor Frederick Xiao. Also, shout out to our major shareholder, Councilor Derek Xiao. Thank you so much, major shareholder, Vice Mayor Wek Uy. Back to the ball game po tayo. Under 5 minutes, 80-57.
No good for the first throw. Get ready for the second throw. No good. Defensive rebound pa rin. It's a traveling. Radok. Looking for open man. Ramil attacking the basket. May tatlong depensa. Dalawang isip pero inatake pa rin. No good. Pinilit yung tira na yon. But again, another defense for Cats. Rebound by our team Cats. 4 on 3. Limbag. No good. Haji Musa naman. Easy layup for Haji Musa the third for 2 points. Under 4 minutes and 20 seconds for the remaining time for the last quarter. Ramil. Ramil ulit, attacking the basket. Oop, pump fake. Ganda na pump fake na yun, pero hindi talaga nako-convert ng mga puntos. Naubusan na ng hininga ang ating team Cats. 2-1. Fast break, Haji Musa. 2 points for Sultan. Maongko, 2 points. Nice passing, pero hindi talaga. Nahihigpitan ng depensa ang ating team Cats. 84-57. Remaining time is 3 minutes under 39 for the fourth quarter. Attacking the basket. Basket counted for Cats. 3 minutes, 29. Makarao. Back to Haji Musa. Haji Musa to win the ball.
12 to shoot.
Hinihigpitan ng depensa.
10 to shoot.
Maongko. Okay, no good. Palawan, but they were nakuha. Limpa attacking the basket. Uy, nag-spin move pero na-turn over. Nabitawan ang bola. Maongko naman attacking the basket. Easy 2 points for Maongko. Uy, easy pass to Ramil. 2 points. Radok. Assist. Palawan, posting up, looking for an open man. Commanding the game. Killing the time kasi alam na yung lamang. Palawan, Maongko again against the basket. Side corner for 3 for Haji Musa. No good. Rebound for Team Cats. 4 on 2. Dalawa yung depensa. Tingnan natin kung mag-convert. No good pa rin. Short. Naubusan na ng energy ang ating Team Cats, guys. Talagang short in man sila. But anyway, tingnan natin. Ang gagawin ng ating Team Sultan. Okay. Turnover po tayo. Ball Team Sultan. Calve in. Balik na naman sa ball game si Calve. Haji Musa out. Pahinga na si Haji Musa, guys. Talagang kumukuha na maraming puntos. Diban, Makapuni for 3. Bang! For 3 points! Makapuni!
Limpag. Setting up the game. Open si Ramil, tumira ng 3. No good. Offensive rebound ba? Wala. Calve. Under 2 minutes, 1 minute 45. Palawan holding the basket. 89-61. 9 to shoot. Easy basket. Nawawala na talagang depensa. Talagang bumibigay na ang ating Team Cats. Pero, again, the show must go on. Limpang attacking the basket. Easy 2. Ganda ng board na yon. Pasok ang 2 points ni Limpang. 1 minute and 16 seconds.
Ten to shoot.
And the shoot. Okay,
5.
Makapuni for 3. No good. 56 sa kailangan ito na. Seconds to play. 48 seconds. $38. 14 to shoot. Maongko, no good. Limpag. 3-1. Oh, no good pa rin. Sayang yan, di pinasa. 19 seconds. $12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang! Counted! Pasok! Buti na lang. Okay, handshake. So that ends our second game for our second night of our Game Time Basketball League Season 1. It's game over.
Thank you so much to our team CDRMO, to our team CDRMO for local government weekend. Maraming salamat. Okay, team picture. Picture. Alright, so there you go. Talagang maganda yung pinapakita natin Team Sultan. Consistent po sila sa kanilang game from second, third hanggang fourth. And then winning, taking the win for tonight. So congratulations to our Team Sultan, 91 under 68 for MSU IIT Cats. Pero maraming salamat din pala man sa Team Cats. Sinong die-hard supporter ba kaniha? Anyway, shout out pa rin sa ating 272. Siyempre guys, so designing tayo for the first best player of the game. All right, so now let us now announce our All right, so now our player of the game. Announce natin player of the game. For our player of the game, congratulations, walang iba, Haji Musa III. Haji Musa, sir. Dito tayo, sir. Asa si Haji Musa? Haji Musa, sir. Okay, dito tayo. Okay. Sir, congratulations po. Maraming salamat for your first win. So, hawakan to. Interview muna tayo. Sir Haji Musa, sir, congratulations. So, ikaw po yung first player of the game sa team nyo and you got the first win of the night. First, tanong, ano yung gameplay na ginawa nyo in this play to take home the win?
Good evening to each and everyone. I'm Nasib Haji Musa and first of all, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala kasi binigay sa amin tong panalo na to. And ang ginawa po namin play and shoot play is yung laging sinasabi ni Coach na pattern namin na lagi namin ginagawa sa practice. Kaya yun.
Ina-apply ninyo?
ina-apply
Okay.
namin dito.
So second team, nakita namin that you are the best player of the game ngayon kasi you are all over. Kumukuha ka ng steal, kumukuha ka ng puntos, gumagawa ka ng play. So, what's your motivation in winning the game tonight? Ano yung motivation mo sa laro ngayon?
So, ang motivation ko po sa game ko na to is unang-una sa lahat yung pamilya ko, yung sumusuporta sa akin. And isa pa, shoutout sa aking family na lagi sumusuporta sa akin. Mahal na mahal po kayo lahat. And yun lang po sa
Ayan, mensahe mo for all the team, kasamahan mo ngayon. Mensahe mo sila, mensahe. Your message mo sa kanila. Mensahe mo for the league, sa lahat. Mensahe mo sa lahat. Mensahe, message.
Ang mensahe ko po sa inyo is maraming salamat kasi
Gusto kayo shoutout? Sige, shoutout mo.
shoutout po sa aming boss, si Boss Alma and yung manager namin si Doc Kader. And shoutout sa mga teammates ko, si Coach Emong.
Ayan.
And sa mga teammates ko po.
Alright, palakpakan natin. Let's give a round of applause to the player of the game, Haji Musa III. And dahil dyan, may pa 4J graphic praise sa'yo. Okay, picture. Player of the game. Okay, sir. Congratulations po. Ingat po tayo sa pag-uwi, ha? Okay, see you next in the game. Thank you so much. Haji Musa, sir. Alright, so now, ladies and gentlemen, that ends our second game for our first week of our Game Time Basketball League Season 1. And this is Mike Master G. Maraming salamat sa nanonood. Again, don't you ever forget to please like our Facebook page of Game Time Basketball League Season 1. Lahat ng mga details, highlight, reviews, andun po. So, don't miss the 4-month in the first quarter of the year 2026. Lahat po ng mga schedule for your favorite team. Suportahan natin and mark your calendar. So that's it. That ends our game for the game 2 for our Game Time Basketball League. This is Master G. Zervin saying God bless everyone. Dalagon, adios.